This is Puppets by Arlee. I'm Arlee, and today we're going to do sculpting a marionette head. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Now today I'm going to sculpt the head of one of my Christmas Carol marionettes. This is Fred, the nephew of Scrooge. And so as you can see here, he's a pretty happy guy. You're going to want to start with a puppet head stand. This is a piece of junk that I think was reclaimed from a jewelry shop. It's like a display piece, but it works great for sculpting marionette heads on. And the neck needs to account for a 3/4 inch dowel. So as we're sculpting around, keep in mind we're going to have a 3/4 inch dowel. Now I have monster clay, which is a moldable type of creature clay. I'll put a link to it down below. But I start off by microwaving it, because it's hard as a rock until you microwave it. What I will do is, as I'm working, I'm going to take little balls of clay, hold it up to the design to try to get a fair match. Underneath, you need to make a tube for the neck. Now this guy has kind of a almost a triangle shaped head. So we're going to give him kind of a wide head at the top. Now I heard somewhere in sculpting you want to start with a head. Think of a chin and the head as like an egg shape. Give him a chin here. Now this is a young man, so I want to be sure to try to reflect that. My favorite trick is to use marbles in the place of eyes, and that helps keep them round. Now more attractive characters need to have symmetrical faces, because beauty is often registered in symmetry. And if you need a really ugly character, a neat trick is to make their face asymmetrical. I'm going a little big, so I'll take some off. Cheekbones. If you're not doing a symmetrical sculpt, one little trick is to make your really character-y characters having an asymmetrical face, and then that helps you when you puppeteer the puppet. You can put the head of the marionette at different angles and you can get two different emotions showing to the audience. This character, Fred, he's always happy. He's happy throughout the whole story, which means that he can have a smile on his face. But if you have puppets that are going to have more of a character arc, they may need to have more of a neutral expression on their face. Always put on ears. If you're casting this, you can cast the ears separately, or if you're paper macheing it, you can just include it in your paper mache. So 2 ears that are kind of bean shapes. And for cartoons, ears can be below the eye line. Let's add our neck tube on. Start smoothing it out. This is a heat gun. This clay gets really hard really quick, so put on your ears, crooked or not. I think I'll give him a little divot in his chin. Please like and subscribe and see what happens with him next.